The BLATACY Portable Air Conditioner offers impressive cooling power with its 16,000 BTU capacity, perfectly suited for large rooms up to 730 square feet. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. This versatile 5-in-1 unit combines cooling, fan, dehumidification, and sleep modes to provide a flexible solution for maintaining your indoor comfort throughout the year. You can easily adjust the temperature between 61 and 88 degrees Fahrenheit to match your personal preferences or seasonal needs. One of the most convenient features of this model is its Wi-Fi and app control, enabling you to manage the air conditioner remotely. Through the app, you can schedule cooling times, monitor energy consumption, and receive filter replacement notifications. The unit comes with easy-to-install window kits suitable for different window types, ensuring hassle-free setup. Its portability is enhanced by heavy-duty 360-degree wheels and built-in handles, allowing smooth relocation between rooms as needed. Operating quietly at just 36 decibels, the BLATACY Portable Air Conditioner will not disturb your sleep or daily activities. The built-in internal temperature sensor automatically adjusts settings to maintain a comfortable environment while optimizing energy usage, especially when the sleep mode is activated. Another innovative feature is the self-evaporating water system that removes the need for manual drainage, even in humid conditions, reducing maintenance efforts. With a large LED display and child lock for added safety, this portable AC unit combines user-friendly design with robust performance. Its highly efficient compressor ensures rapid and consistent cooling, making it ideal for large indoor spaces like living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and offices. The BLATACY Portable Air Conditioner provides a smart, reliable, and energy-efficient solution for anyone seeking flexible and effective climate control without permanent installation. Its combination of advanced features and ease of use makes it a top choice for keeping cool and comfortable year-round.